Good morning, class. So, today we are going to do our next revision for the exercise of parts of speech. Okay, so here the question you can see, what part of speech are the underlined words, or the space is given to you. You have to just tell here that the word which is given to you is a noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, or interjection. Okay, let's start it. She thought of a wise plan. So in this sentence, she is the subject, and as the subject is doing some activity, so all action words are known as verb. So in this sentence, thought is what? It is a verb, right? So I have done this. It is the correct answer. Second question we can see. I want to go now. So in this sentence, now is what? A preposition, adjective, or adverb. So now is defining here the verb. Okay, go. I want to go when? Now. So the word now and then are what? Adverbs, right? So this is adverb. Yes, and we can see here this answer is correct, right? So what is adverb? Words which define a verb, all right, an adjective, and sometimes another adverb are known as adverbs. Okay, so this is our correct answer. Now third one, where are you going? So in this sentence, you is what? So words which we use in place of a noun are known as pronoun. All right, so what is you in this sentence? It's a pronoun. Okay, I'll give one example here of this. Rohan is not a good boy. He never studies. So in this sentence, we have, in second sentence, I have used he in place of Rohan, right? So he is what? Pronoun. Rohan is noun and he is pronoun. Understood? So the words which we use in place of a noun are known as pronoun. Now done. Now fourth question. But that was a lovely evening. So lovely is what? Now the word lovely is defining the evening, and here evening is what? A noun. So those words which describe or define a noun or a pronoun are known as adjective. So this is what? This is an adjective, right? So in this word lovely is what? This is an adjective. Are quiet.
Baby.
This is adjective. All right. Now next video or next sentence we can see here. My father works in a factory. So this is very simple one. So what is factory? It is a name of a place, workplace or a place. So the noun is what? The name of a person, place, thing, or animal is known as noun. So this is noun, right? So we can see here noun. Next sentence, she must be a stupid. So it is showing the quality. Okay, so stupid is what? Here this is a noun, right? So stupid is what? A noun. She is stupid here. All right, so this word is a noun. Next, Selena is my best friend. So in this sentence, best is what? Best is what? Good, better, best. All right, so it is showing the quality of a noun. Best friend. Best what? Best friend. All right, so words which we use in place, words which describe a noun or a pronoun are known as adjective. Okay, so this is also our correct answer. Now next we can see here 8th number. The dress was expensive, still I bought it. So in this sentence, bought is what? So buy, bought, bought. So this is an action word, and action words are known as verb, right? So this is also our correct answer. Now next 9th sentence we can see, it is my doll. So in this sentence, it is what? It word we are using for the doll. So it is what? Words which we use in place of a noun are known as pronoun. So it in this sentence is pronoun. Now come on this sentence, 10th number. the sun gives us heat and light. So in this sentence, gives is what? So again this is a verb, right? Okay, all action words are known as verb. Now next 11th, do it quickly. How you have to do it? Quickly. Okay, do quickly. So do is a verb. Quickly is what? It is defining, it is describing the word, that how you have to do. Okay, slowly, quickly. So the word quickly here is what? Adverb, as it is defining the verb here. Alright. Now next sentence 12th, she went to the market to buy some vegetables. So in this sentence 2 is what? So the words which relates, we can say which we use, which shows the position of the words or some words. Okay, that is, these words are known as preposition. So she went, where she went? To the market. So this word too is joining. She went to the market to buy some vegetable. So here we can say this is to is what? Position showing word, and all position showing word, relation showing word, it is relating the subject with the object. Okay, so preposition is what? So to is what? Preposition. Okay, done. Now next 13, I helped him because I liked him. So in this sentence, the word because this word we are using to connect, to relate the first sentence with other sentence. And what are conjunctions? So conjunctions are actually the connector. So this is a conjunction which joins two words, two sentences or two phrases. Okay, so I helped him, one sentence, I liked him, second sentence. So here we can say, see two sentences, the word because is joining I helped him and I liked him, right? So this is a conjunction. Next 14, jasmines are white in color. So white is what? Noun, adjective or pronoun? Remember one thing, all colors are adjectives. Okay, color names, all colors are adjectives. All right, it is defining the color, it is describing adjective. So this is what? This is adjective. Okay, it is describing jasmines, it is adjective. Now 15th number, we can see here, oh my god, it is wrongly done, I didn't do it. Okay, just let it be. So 15th sentence, the cat is under the bed. So in this sentence, under is what? Again it is showing the position. Okay, it is showing the relation between the subject and object. So this is what? It is a preposition. Okay, I did it by mistake only. Okay, so the answer is preposition. Alright, and why it is so, you can see here. See, thought is what? That's a verb. So everything you can see, those who are having query why we are using it, those students can see here. All right, these are the answers with the valid reason that why we are using. Okay, you can see here. All right, two preposition is given, right? 15th number, under is also preposition, position showing word, or we can say relation showing word between subject and object. Okay, so these are the questions you can see here. All right, in this way you will be asked the parts of speech. Okay, I think this will be clear. Now complete it, practice it in your notebook. All right, okay, thank you so much for watching.